Now, often when the sinus are blocked up, because you know the eustachian tubes are the tubes that connect the ears, the eyes, the nose, the mouth. And so the ringing in the ears, or tinnitus, you might have heard of those conditions. A lot of people say, what can I do for that? It's often because of past damage, exposure to loud noises. So all rock stars have it. All your rock stars who were rock stars in their 20s and now in their 60s, 70s, they've all got tinnitus because of those loud noises damage the fine mechanisms in the ear. Also men working in the mines that use those jackhammers, also soldiers that have been in war, the bombs. So whenever you got that, and it's not just the odd loud noise, it's day after day after day of these loud noises. It damages the fine mechanisms in the ear. So fast forward, the person's in their 60s, 70s, and they've got tinnitus. What we found, if these foods are eliminated, it helps to keep the eustachian tubes clear and the tinnitus is not quite as bad. So we had a guy who'd worked in the mines, jackhammers. He worked for us for a while as our maintenance man, and he said that his tinnitus reduced by 50% by just eliminating these foods. It just cleared those eustachian tubes out.
You can explore the world of natural herbal supplements at vinaturadotstore.